Unlock the power of seamless Bitcoin trading by connecting directly from TradingView to your preferred broker. First, navigate to the TradingView website and log into your account in the search bar at the top of the page. Type Bitcoin to bring up the cryptocurrency chart. Once the Bitcoin chart loads, look for the Trading Panel tab located at the bottom of your screen. Click on this tab to access the trading functions. Within the Trading Panel, you'll see a drop-down menu often labeled Connect to Broker, or a similar phrase. Click on this to reveal a list of supported Bitcoin brokers. Select the Bitcoin broker you wish to connect with from the list for this demonstration. Let's assume we're using broker name. After selecting your broker, you'll likely be prompted to click a Connect button. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by TradingView and your broker to authorize the connection. This usually involves entering your broker account username and password directly within the TradingView interface, or being redirected to your broker's login page for secure authentication. Once connected, the Trading Panel will update to display your broker's trading interface. Integrated directly into TradingView, you'll now see options to place buy and sell orders for Bitcoin. You can now leverage TradingView's advanced charting tools to analyze Bitcoin's price action, identify potential trading opportunities, and execute your trades directly through your connected broker's execution services. This streamlined approach allows you to manage your entire cryptocurrency trading workflow, from analysis to execution, all within a single, powerful platform. Experience the future of Bitcoin trading, made easier with TradingView and your favorite broker.